personal. So, kumusta na yung friendly relationship nyo? Kasi si Carlo, nung magkatrabaho ka sa Candy,
Expensive Candy.
Expensive Candy, single pa siya that time. Ikaw naman, you're both happily sa kanyang mga karelasyon. So, may mga tips ba kayong pinag-uusapan of set or nagsishare ba ng something about mga bagong mga nyo sa buhay nyo ngayon?
Oh, catch up lang. Ganun. Kasi nga nung time na ginawa na, actually ito, hindi pa ako kasal.
Talaga? Ano ginawa niyo?
Ngayon lang kami ulit nakita na married na ako. So,
Okay.
tinatanong niya lang, how's the married life? And ganun. Noon naman, wala, okay lang naman. Kamustahan, kinakamusta ko si Jay dahil nakatrabaho ko din si Jay. Tapos, si April, kinakamusta din niya. Wala namang, nagbibigay ka ba ng advice?
Or tips?
Tips by Julia Barreto.
More catch up. Kasi 2 years din ang pagitan ni Expensive Candy at
Tsaka ito.
ni Hold Me Close. So it's more catch up. Saan ka na sa life mo? Dito ako sa life ko. And then yun naman, I think I just got to know him more in Hold Me Close, but just more about him as a person.
Para kasi iba yung ano ko nun, expensive
Candy eh. Parang isang tanong ko sa kanya, isang sagot lang din.
Iba pa yung mindset, iba pa yung...
Oo.
Somehow, mas malalim ng friendship nyo na
Oo.
Yeah, oo naman. Ang ganda ng friendship namin ni Kaloy. Nag-iiyakan kami. Joke. Appreciate ko si Kaloy. Sobrang.
Okay. Last question, direct. 100% sa Japan sinut lahat ng movie or may mga
Yes, sa Japan lahat.
lahat all throughout? Okay. Thank you and good luck. Congratulations.
Thank
Salamat po.
you. Thank you. That was Ambet Lamas of Marites University. For our next question, we have Miss Ana Pingol of Pika Pika and Abante.
Si Kaloy, paki-explain yung passion mo to. Hindi, joke lang.
Ano po si Woody?
Fashion, ewan ko nga eh. Gusto ko lang pakita yung 27 ko na waistline.
It's very Kaloy.
Serious na. Kung merong tao na wala pa sa buhay nyo na gusto nyong sabihan ng hold me close, sino yun? Not necessarily romantic. Pero someone na parang gusto nyo sabihan ng hold me close.
Sino ba? I think yung kuya ko. Kasi matagal na kami hindi nakikita. Nasa US siya. And parang feeling ko na sa point siya ng buhay niya na kailangan niya ng concern. So, yun. Kuya ko.
Ako, siguro yung mga kapatid ko. Kasi tumatanda na rin kami lahat. So parang we're just navigating through our different lives, but still hand in hand, still together. It makes us stronger. Ikaw.
Siguro ako si Mithi. Yung daughter. Yeah.
Thank you very much. That was Miss Ana Pingol of Pika Pika and Abante. Up next, we have Jacob Managan, a TikTok content creator.
Hello guys! First of all, congratulations sa Hold Me Close and it's part of 50th MMFF. Parang hindi pa natanong to kung ano yung role yung dalawa. Could you tell us what is your role dito sa pelikulang Hold Me Close?
Ayun, ako si Woody Carrera. Si Woody, feeling niya, alam niya kung saan siya papunta pero hindi. Feeling niya, alam niya yung mga gusto niya sa buhay pero hindi. So parang for the past 6 years, palipat-lipat siya. Tama ba? 6-7 years, palipat-lipat siya. Tapos leaving fragments ng mga broken self niya dun sa mga pinuntahan niya. And then eventually...
Personal mission niya na mahanap yung perfect home.
Perfect home. So hanap siya ng hanap. Eventually, nakilala niya si Linlin na tutulong sa kanya na maging buo. Kahit na si Linlin may mga... hindi rin buo. So, ganun.
Si Linlin naman is, well, as we saw sa trailer, has the special ability to foresee if somebody's gonna be good for her or not. And that hindi pa syempre nasa trailer, pero mapapanood natin sa pelikula kung paano niya nakuha yung ability na yun, kung ano yung naging root. Malalim din yung story ni Linlin kung bakit siya naging yung tao na, how do you say that? How she became the person that she is. And then she meets Woody, who kind of changes her life. And teaches her na yeah, to give chances and to open your heart and to bring down the wall. And I think one of the important things na na-realize ko din about the movie is that not just because you hold someone and you get the bad feeling doesn't mean they're gonna be bad for you. Maybe they can be bad for themselves. So baka meron silang, it's not about Linlin, maybe sometimes it's about you. There's something that you have to
Parang yung ability nga ni Linlin parang mas
nakatulong.
intense lang na judger eh.
Oo, yes. Pero talagang, ano lang naman, parang yung criticism niya, parang yung productive na criticism. We'll see in the movie. It unfolds in the movie. It's hard to share it, especially from the trailer because it will give it away.
Ayan po, we can't wait to watch the full movie, no? And for my second question, since Hold Me Close is part of 50th MMFF, sa inyo pong tatlo, ano yung look forward nyo dito sa festival? Lalo na 50th, it's very special po.
Ano lang, the celebration of Filipino movies. I'm sure lahat ng kasali, they brought their A game. Ganun lang, hindi ko siya tinitingnan as competition. Kasi ako personally, every MMFF talaga nagmamarathon ako sa sinihan sa mall. Ayun, I look forward to watching all of the entries.
Me, aside from the float, I'm really looking forward dun sa float actually. Because the first one I did was in 2016. Vince, Kath, and James. So, I'm looking forward to that, but I'm also looking forward to watching all of the movies that's part of the MMFF.
Yung ako din, yung celebration ng puro Pinoy na pelikula yung papanood mo this Christmas. Tsaka excited nga din ako sa float. Gusto ko, ang tagal ko na hindi nag-float. So.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Jaco Manangan, a TikTok content creator. Up next, for our next question, we have Bix Almacen of Abante.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm so happy to see you again, both of you. I have only one question. Pagdating sa pag-ibig, how much pain are you willing to tolerate?
Hindi ako masyadong parang ayaw na ng pain nga eh. Di ba? Pero kung sa tingin mong worth it naman yung pain, at ganun mo kamahal kung papunta ka na sa martir, ganun. Basta mahal. Yeah, okay lang.
Kasi kasama yun sa pag-ibig yung pain.
Totoo, kasama sa buhay.
Yeah.
Oo, hindi mo naman may iwasan yun. So, yeah. Basta mahal ko, kaya kong pagtiisan kahit ano.
How about Julia?
Yeah, oo, same. I think, yeah, the person who makes you happiest is also the one who can hurt you the most. They hold that much power, right? But I think we welcome the kind of pain that we become better for, that we learn from and stronger for. Pero if it's the kind of pain that's, kung hindi siya good kind of pain, yeah, you can walk away from that.
Bong girls, congratulations and thank you.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
Thank you very much for that question. Bix Almacen of Abante. Up next, for our next question, we have CJ Buada of CJ Says Vlog.
Yeah. Hi guys, good afternoon. So first kay Direk JP. Hi Direk. Without spoiling anything or just a teaser, what can we expect from Hold Me Close and bakit kailangan namin unahin to sa Pasko?
Well, kagaya ng mga napapag-usapan kanina, parang it can really start a conversation about, how we relate to people or how we connect with people in spite of yung mga bad things we know about them. Feeling ko okay siyang panoorin sa Pasko kasi Christmas can be an opportunity for learning. And I'm very confident na pag tao ka na naranasan mong magmahal, meron kang makukuha sa pelikulang ito na magagawad mo sa buhay mo. Di ba? Yun. Meron, of course, nandiyan pa rin yung entertainment factor, pero ako, yung lesson na pwedeng ma-impart ng movie, I think yung pinaka-valuable dito sa Hold Me Close.
And for my last question, to Julia and Carlo, ano yung i-hold me close nyo? Box office success or MMFF Best Actor, Best Actress Award?
Ikaw ba? Ano?
Hindi ko iniisip yung ganyan.
Oo parang mas sana ma-inspire yung mga tao kasi nga pinag-uusapan din dito yung mga traumas tungkol sa mental health and mga tungkol sa ganung aspeto. Sana lang mas makurot namin yung puso ng mga manonood.
Yeah, I would have to say the same. Nakakawala you focus on stuff like that. You just really want to have an impact in people's lives.
That will be all. Congrats and
Thank
good
you.
luck.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your questions. And we have here more. We have a question from Mikey Venus of Capamilya Vines. Question for Julia. What's your turning point on accepting this film, Hold Me Close?
To be honest, my turning point to accept this is really working